to teach you how to make bioplastic. We all know plastic is a non-biodegradable resource. It is made from oil, which is a non-renewable resource. So scientists are working very hard on replacing plastic with bioplastic. Bioplastic is biodegradable and made from plant, which is a renewable resource. So what we need is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of glycerin. We need a silicone spatula, flat plate, pot, and a gas and an adult to help you. Now add all your ingredients in the hot pot with your silicone spatula. As you have added all the ingredients, put your gas on medium mix and then mix it well. In the mixing part, ask an adult to mix it. Keep mixing it for 10 minutes. When you will see it will start turning a bit bubbly. After it has turned solid and viscous, stop the heat and be ready to spread. When you're done, then slowly put it on your flat plate and then slowly spread it with your spoon. Don't touch it with your hands because it's very hot. Now we are going to start to spread it. Now leave it for 24 hours. When the 24 hours are done, you slowly have to peel it off. After 24 hours of drying, my bioplastic is ready. Thank you.